Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can connect the Logitech G733 with your computer, with your PC. The only way how you can do it is with the adapter that you would actually get in the packaging. Now, the problem is that some people, I'm going to show you how it looks. Some people think that maybe you can use the Bluetooth with it. Now, these headphones don't have Bluetooth, so you always need to have this connector that you're going to get in the packaging. And it's like really simple right now. So what you have to do is you have to insert it into your, I will show you right here. I don't have any Logitech gear here, so I will just connect it to my notebook. Okay, so I just insert it to your USB port, and look at this. I have it right here, and it's working. So this is an important thing that you can do, and this is how you're going to connect the Logitech G733 with the PC. Now, if you can have any questions, let me down below in the comments, and have a great day, and goodbye.